Today, we're diving into Nikon's brand new mirrorless camera that's causing quite a buzz, the Nikon Z6 Mark III. Whether you're a photographer, videographer, or just someone who loves cutting-edge camera tech, this camera promises to bring some serious upgrades. But what's new? And is it worth your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. Let's start with one of the biggest talking points, the autofocus. The Z6 Mark III comes with Nikon's most advanced autofocus system yet, inherited from the Z8 and Z9. It uses sophisticated deep learning technology for automatic recognition of 9 different subjects: people, dogs, cats, birds, airplanes, cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and even trains. This means whether you're shooting fast-paced action or wildlife, the Z6 Mark III can lock onto your subject with incredible precision. With up to -10 EV low-light AF detection and advanced tracking, autofocus performance is next level. Now, if speed is what you crave, the Z6 Mark III delivers. It boasts continuous shooting at a blistering 120 frames per second with JPEG files and up to 20 frames per second in RAW. Combine that with a max buffer of 1,000 plus shots, and you've got a camera that doesn't just keep up with fast action, it dominates. And with Nikon's new pre-release capture feature, the camera starts buffering images even before you fully press the shutter. You can save up to 1 second before and 3 seconds after the shutter press, ensuring you never miss the moment. For videographers, the Nikon Z6 Mark III brings some serious firepower. You get internal 6K 60p RAW recording and oversampled 4K UHD for stunning detail. But it doesn't stop there. This camera also captures full HD footage at up to 240 frames per second for buttery smooth slow motion up to 10x. Plus, with NRAW and ProRes RAW options, along with line-in audio and pro monitoring tools, this camera is a beast for content creators looking for flexibility. Whether it's weddings, documentaries, or YouTube, the Z6 III has the video quality to match. One standout feature of the Z6 Mark III is its dazzlingly bright, high-resolution electronic viewfinder. Covering a gamut equivalent to DCI P3, this EVF offers a class-leading max brightness of 4,000 nits. That means even in direct sunlight, your view will be clear and vibrant. And don't forget the 3.2-inch touch-sensitive vari-angle display, which gives you great flexibility for shooting at all angles. It's perfect for those tricky low or high shots. Next up, vibration reduction. The Nikon Z6 Mark III offers up to 8 stops of built-in image stabilization with Focus Point VR, which prioritizes stabilization on the active focus point. Whether you're shooting handheld or in low light, this camera keeps your shots steady and sharp. This kind of stabilization is a game changer, especially for handheld shooting, where you want tack-sharp results without the need for a tripod or gimbal. At the heart of the Z6 Mark III is the world's first partially stacked CMOS sensor, integrated with high-speed data processing circuits. This makes the Z6 III approximately 3.5 times faster than the Z6 Mark II. And thanks to the Expeed 7 processor, you'll get cleaner, sharper images even at high ISO levels, with an expanded sensitivity range of up to ISO 204,800. The low-light performance is enhanced with Starlight mode, letting you focus and compose your shots in near darkness. Whether it's night photography or dimly lit interiors, this camera delivers. Let's talk about build quality. The Nikon Z6 Mark III is housed in a magnesium alloy and Cerebo body, making it durable and lightweight. It's weather-sealed and rated to operate down to -10°C, giving you pro-level durability in harsh conditions. With dual card slots and the ability to charge via USB while shooting, Nikon has ensured the Z6 Mark III is ready for extended shoots. And for those of you looking for cloud integration, the Nikon Imaging Cloud lets you upload full-resolution images directly to your preferred storage. So, what's new with the Nikon Z6 Mark III? Incredible autofocus, blistering speed, stunning 6K video, an industry-leading EVF, and some of the best stabilization on the market. Whether you're a pro looking for the next upgrade or an enthusiast seeking to take your work to the next level, this camera has something for everyone. But is it worth it? If you need versatility in both photo and video, high-end features, and a compact, rugged design, then yes, the Z6 Mark III absolutely earns its place. The question is, are you ready to unlock its full potential? Thanks for watching. Be sure to drop a comment below. What do you think of the Nikon Z6 Mark III? And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more camera reviews, tutorials, and gear news. See you in the next one.